This is AccuSizer software training on how to create the report when running the Trimix standard. If we want to create a report for the Trimix standard, the first thing we do is come into Analyses. In Analyses, what we need to do is set up the size and concentration ranges from the certificate of analysis that comes with the Trimix standard we are using. Here is one of the certificate of analyses for the Trimix standard. In Table A, you see there's 3 size ranges with nominal sizes of 0.8, 2, and 5 microns. So we're going to enter this data from this table into the analysis section of the software. The first size range was the 0.8 nominal size, and the upper and lower limit are 0.6 and 0.96 microns. Then for the 2 micron nominal size, that was from 1.59 to 2.41 microns. In the 5 micron nominal size range, the upper and lower limits were 4.03 to 5.82 microns. So now we see we've set up the upper and lower size ranges. We can also add information on the concentration expectations in those size ranges by right-clicking here. Choose Enable Concentration Validation. And now we can enter both the minimum and the maximum concentration values, which again come from the certificate of analysis. This was 952, 526. 21489 848. For the 2 micron, it was 367 149 2 574 258. And for the 5 micron, the range was from 108 600 to 169, 861. Now at this point we can just click the X and close this. We can double check to make sure that we entered it correctly if we open it again. And what I see here is maybe I didn't get this entered right. It's always worth checking again. This went from 108, 600 to 169, 861. There. Now if we close it and check again, this time we've entered it correctly. All right, so we've defined our analysis regions. Now we find our data we want to create the report for. So here's a result from the Trimix. You see the 3 peaks at 0.8, 2, and 5 microns. To create a report, I either right-click Create Report, or I could come up here to Create Report. What I do now is choose Multi-Region Report. And over here, under Restrictions, I need to choose the Trimix analysis regions I just created. The names of the analysis regions you've set up will appear over here. I will name this report, and now when we click OK, this will automatically generate the Trimix report. The report looks like this, where we have the nominal sizes, the upper and lower regions, the concentration from our measurements, the expected concentrations, and then we see we passed for all 3 size ranges. We can now either print this, or save it, or export it.